You make me complete. You make me smile when I have no reason to. When everything in life is going wrong, I call you and you make everything better. I love you so much. I did not know what love meant until I meet you. I still get butterflies even though I have seen you 100 times. I did not plan it, but you are the best thing that's ever happened to me. Thank you for being you, for sharing your love with me, for inspiring me to accept myself, for helping me see the unique beauty in imperfection, for showing me that love is something you do, something that is not just to be said, but also to be shown. I have a crush on your mind. I feel for your personality and your looks are just a big bonus. You are the type of boy I had make a sandwich for. You are the type of guy that gets a love quote from me. They say you should be with someone who runs your lipstick, not your mascara. And for me, you are that someone. Thank you, and I love you. Cuddling with you would be perfect right now. Love me when I least deserve it because that is when I really need it. You make my dopamine levels go all silly. I want to show him that he has not been loved before. I want him to feel with one kiss how I can make love to his soul for eternity. I might not be your first date, kiss, or love, but I want to be your last. Everything a part of you has grown in me, and so you see, it's you and me together forever and never apart, maybe in distance, but never in hurt. And then my soul saw you, and it kind of went, oh, there you are. I have been looking for you. I don't want a relationship that's serious all the time. I want someone I can laugh and be silly with, someone that not only gets my varied sense of humor but thinks it's hilarious too. If I did anything right in my life, it was when I gave you my heart. You are the the guy all of my love quotes are all about. I love you because you make me feel like I mean something to someone. I am so totally, completely eye popping, seriously, groundbreaking, passionately, deliciously in love with you. The real lover is the man who can thrill you by kissing your forehead